Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your Instagram account to a new device with 2FA full guide step by step clearly. To transfer your Instagram account to a new device with two-factor authentication enabled, begin by ensuring you have your new device ready. First, download the Instagram app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your new device. Once the app is installed, open Instagram. On the login screen, enter your Instagram username or email address. Next, input your password. Since you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will receive a verification code. This code will be sent to your registered phone number or email, depending on your settings. Check your phone or email for the verification code. Once you have the code, return to the Instagram app. Enter the verification code in the designated field. If the code is correct, you'll be logged into your account on the new device. You may want to check your account settings to confirm everything is in order. Ensure that your security settings, including two-factor authentication, remain enabled. If you encounter issues with the verification code, make sure your phone number or email is accessible. In case you do not receive the code, choose the option to resend it. After successfully logging in, explore your account to ensure all features are functioning properly. Remember to log out from your old device if you no longer plan to use it. This completes the transfer of your Instagram account to your new device with two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.